everyone, it's Jennifer, and I have for you my St. Patrick's Day Stitch Marker Advent by Ellie Leva, and it's day 6. So let's find day 6. Nope, that's day 6. Nope. 9, 7, oh, there's day 6. I found it. And here is day 6's sticker. And that is so pretty. I like it. Oh, sorry. I like it. That's pretty. So let's check out day 6. I love the stickers that she chose for them. They're super cute. And I'm really loving the green theme. Oh, this is so pretty. That is so pretty. I'm loving the green theme. Look at that. Oh, isn't that pretty right there? Right there. That's really pretty. I like the green. I love it with the gold. So, it is open lever back. And let's go to our next clip. I can get it to sit up. And go to the next clip. In case y'all are wondering why I have a hard time, I'm doing it. I'm looking at it, but I can't really see it. So here are all the stitch markers so far. Get these opened up. Here we go. And there they are so far. Alright. Stay tuned for day 7. I hope you're enjoying this. Please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, I'll be yarning. Bye now.